What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, then my name is Deanna, and I'm going to be installing this wig that I got today from ISEE Hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. I always love the hair that I get from ISEE Hair, so I'm definitely excited about this one. So this is, first of all, the packaging. Their packaging is always extraordinary. Definitely top tier. Definitely the best packaging I've seen. Like, just look at this. So this is a 18-inch kinky curly wig that looks like this. It is a 5x6 lace 5x6 lace size, and it's their HD lace. So this is what it looks like. Of course, they pre-plucked the hairline, they pre-bleached the knots for you. This is another wear go wig, so it's already going to be styled for you, so you can just throw it on and go. Get into this curl pattern. It's so pretty, so I'm very excited about that. The inside of the wig is installed on a dome cap that looks like this. This one does not have a comb at the back, which they typically have removable combs, but this one does not have a comb. It's just on a dome cap like this, and then it comes with this strap that you can take on and off if you want to, and it's adjustable, and it has the non-slip grip thingy right here. So this is what the wig looks like. Super pretty. It also comes with a secondary wig band. If you don't like this type of one, you can use that one. Really quickly, in the box, they have all the best goodies. They have the bonnet that you see on my head right here. This is a edge band that has their logo on it, ISEE Hair. They give you some lashes that look like this. A couple of care cards, and a really cute sleep mask that says Princess, and then of course the matching princess bonnet. These are all super cute. Their packaging is just top tier, extraordinary. Their marketing budget got to be A1, because this is what I expect to get when I order a wig, okay? So definitely love that. If you want to see me install this wig, want to see how it wears, then you got to keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take my wig bonnet off. I already have my wig cap installed, but I want y'all to be proud of me today because I ordered some more cream makeup. So this is from Ruby Kisses. It's in the number 15. I get this off of Amazon. I just go to my cart and reorder the same thing. You know, I go to my cart and reorder the same thing. But yeah, this is the cream foundation. Looks like this. It has 2 shades, and I mostly use the lighter shade here, and then when I start running out, I use the darker shade, or sometimes I'll like mix the two. But this is just a closer look at the numbers. If you're interested and want to go look it up on Amazon, I'll see if I can link it below for you. So I'm just gonna take my same little brush right here and go in the light color and just color my wig cap. And I do it by like pressing the cream makeup into the wig cap. I feel like the color comes off better like that instead of just like dragging it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to install the wig. So I love how it comes with this tag on here because it looks really professional. Makes me feel like, you know, like it's quality, you know. So I'm gonna cut that off, and I'm gonna adjust the strap like this. It's really simple. You just pull it like that. All right, and then I'm gonna flip the wig inside out like this, and I make sure that like this is facing down so that it can hold on to my head, and then I'm gonna apply the wig. Okay. And it does have the ear cutouts on the side so that it can fit comfortably, because you know, like some wigs that will go across your ear, but this one has cutouts so that you don't have that issue. So yeah, this fits really good, and immediately this is what it's looking like. You can see the really good plucking job that they do here, and I really like how flat that the lace lays on the sides. That's really important for me because like the type of hairline that I have, if the lace tends to lift, then it makes it harder for me to blend this when I do my baby hairs, but it already lays flat, so that's really important. And then so this is just what the curl pattern looks like fresh out the box. But you know we gonna spice it up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my little baby hairs on this sides. Alright, so now for my edges, I'm using the Eco Style gel and my little edge brush thingy. And then I'm just going to swoop my little edges. And before I lay my edges, I'm gonna spray some of this Glueless Grip holding spray from Erica J on them because I feel like it makes them stay like flatter longer. You can also use this like to hold down your wigs if you want to, but I just like to spray this on my edges, like especially like where the lace is by my edges where my natural hair is, because it helps keep them down, if that makes sense. Like, and then I'm just gonna blow dry it because it helps seal it in place. And I'm gonna take the wig band and wrap my little edges. Alright, so next I'm just gonna define these curls. As you can see, they're like tight little spiral curls like this. It is called Kinky Curly, but I like to take my water, some mousse, and this little brush thing right here that has like these holes, and I'm just gonna like comb through the hair to really like define them and break apart the curls. You can pull them apart if you like this curl pattern as is. You can just definitely pull the hair apart and just keep it moving like that if that's you, or you can wear it like this, but I really just like to define the curls. So I'm going to split my hair into 2 sections to make it easier on myself, like this. I may even do 4 to be completely honest. And then I'm going to start with the back and drench it with the water, and then I'm going to go behind it with the mousse. The mousse that I'm using is this argan oil. Ooh, I know you probably can't see it, but it's like this argan oil. Let me see if I can fix it. Argan oil Moroccan mousse. What? This argan oil Moroccan mousse. Oh my gosh. Try saying that 3 times fast. Argan oil Moroccan mousse. Argan oil Moroccan. Maybe. I don't know. You see the difference in those curls though? Like from what it looked like from the box. I just like the curl pattern that looks like this, like the looser pattern. So this is what it's looking like after I've just brushed through it, and then I'm just gonna show you what the other side looks like so you can get a side-by-side comparison. Now mind you, this is still wet and I'm going to diffuse it with my blow dryer, but just so you can see what a difference that definitely makes. It also like lengthens the curls a little bit, because here they're a little bit shorter, like right above my edges, and here they've dropped some. Even though it probably will scrunch back up once it dries, but you can see like where the 18 inches comes from. Now that you see the curls like this, I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool setting and diffuse the curls. Okie dokie. So now I'm going to go ahead and unwrap my edges. Look at there. And that just looks fantastic. Fantastic. All right. So now I'm going to take my Got To Be glue free spray and my hot comb, and I'm going to like just define the parting in my curls. Take some more of this cream makeup and just put it across my hairline so it can blend. But that is it. So let me go on and back it up so you can see what this is looking like. So this is the hair from the back. Look at these curves. This is looking really, really cute. This is the hairline like this. But yeah, so that is it for this video. Always love the wigs from ISEE Hair. They're super easy to install, super beginner friendly. Like I said, I am not a professional, child. I am not a beautician. I just like to do my hair myself to save a little coin, and these type of wigs definitely make it super easy. Didn't have to do anything, especially the curly ones. All you got to do is throw some product in it and comb through it. I could do that. Okay, like that's super simple. I never have any issues with like tangling with their hair, but like when I was like combing through it, as you can see, the comb went through it really well. Didn't even get any freaking shedding, which is crazy. No shedding. Yeah, this is a really, really good wig. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Adios till next time.